Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating concrete identifiers so you know what to verify. Open Settings, tap General, then About, and copy the serial number and IMEI. These are unique keys. Once done, match them to any original receipt or box label you have. You do this because Apple's database and packaging details reveal whether the device is genuine or a refurbished replacement. Make sure to photograph these numbers for the next step. They'll save you time when checking authenticity and warranty status. Now you verify the phone using Apple tools and hands-on checks. You enter the serial or IMEI into Apple's coverage lookup to confirm model, purchase date, and eligibility. This tells you if Apple recognizes it as original. Next, inspect model numbers against official lists and test hardware, battery health and cycle count, True Tone, Face ID or Touch ID, speakers, and ports. Doing these tests proves components match what Apple shipped. If something fails, document errors and proceed to proof gathering. Finish by ensuring the device is clear for transfer and you have proof. You should check activation lock in settings and ask the previous owner to remove their Apple ID. This prevents activation issues later. Once done, save screenshots of serial/IMEI checks, receipts, and hardware test results. This evidence speeds any dispute. If Apple's lookup or hardware tests contradict what you were told, contact Apple support with your documentation. A single troubleshooting tip. If activation lock is enabled, insist on owner removal before payment to avoid being locked out.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.